Welcome to this overview of a revolutionary new cosmic paradigm. Modern physics is built upon two pillars. General relativity explains the gravity governing massive cosmic structures, while the Standard Model dictates the behavior of subatomic particles. While these frameworks are successful in isolation, they leave a massive gap in our understanding of the whole. When we calculate the observable matter and energy they describe, 95% of the universe remains entirely unaccounted for. Standard cosmology uses invisible placeholders to bridge this gap. Scientists call the missing mass holding galaxies together dark matter, and the force driving universal expansion dark energy, attributing both to particles that have never been detected. Nathaniel Faxon Cherier's cosmic dynamics theory, or CDT, proposes that these missing components aren't undiscovered particles at all. Instead, they are the result of the fundamental mechanics of black holes. At the subatomic scale, CDT identifies micro-black holes. These entities are not static. They are constantly popping in and out of existence within the quantum foam. These fluctuating micro-black holes interact with matter through a modified gravitational potential that aligns with the observed properties of the Higgs boson. By equating the two, CDT integrates the source of particle mass directly into the gravitational framework of spacetime. Though individually minute, their collective density fluctuations generate massive gravitational fields that warp surrounding space. This maps perfectly onto galactic observations. The resulting rotation curve peaks exactly at 220 kilometers per second, matching the Milky Way's velocity without needing extra mass. Because the gravity of these micro-black hole clusters perfectly accounts for the speed of speeding stars, the requirement for an undiscovered dark matter particle disappears. The phenomenon we observe as dark matter is the cumulative gravitational effect of trillions of these invisible, microscopic entities. Scaling up from the quantum level to the center of an active galaxy, we find the macro-scale drivers of the cosmos, supermassive black holes. These massive objects experience ringularity torsion, a twisting distortion that creates ripples across the black hole's event horizon. This forces extreme electrical charge separation. While some particles are absorbed, positive ions are violently rejected, accumulating in dense concentrations outside the horizon. This rejected matter is ejected as superheated plasma jets. They erupt from the poles at 99% light speed, driven by intense gravitational and electromagnetic forces. These jets act as galactic engines, recycling immense amounts of energy from the black hole back into the surrounding environment. Pulling back to the scale of the cosmic web, we see that galaxies are connected by vast, invisible electromagnetic field networks. The plasma jets from supermassive black holes align with these vast EMF lines, traveling along the magnetic pathways that connect different galaxies. When these fields overlap, they undergo magnetic field superposition. This interaction generates a universal negative pressure that actively pushes the cosmic grid outward. This macro-scale pressure combines with the baseline negative pressure generated by trillions of micro-black holes at the quantum level. The mathematical sum of these forces accounts for 68% of the universe's total energy density, matching the observed rate of cosmic acceleration. CDT provides a bridge between the subatomic and the cosmological by identifying black holes as the common mechanism driving the universe at every scale. The framework's accuracy is evidenced by its alignment with real-world data. In simulations, the CDT predictive curve tracks markers from the Planck 2020 mission and LIGO gravitational wave observations with total precision. This alignment addresses the Hubble tension, the persistent discrepancy in measurements of how fast the universe is expanding. CDT shows that the expansion rate is not a fixed constant. Instead, it fluctuates based on the shifting magnetic output of active galaxies across the cosmic web. The universe functions as a unified, self-sustaining engine, where the scaling interplay of black holes governs the structure and evolution of the entire cosmos. To explore more of this unified framework, return to MDU. Like and subscribe.